If you want to invite friends on your Discord server, or if you want to create a Discord invite link that will never expire, you have to go through all these steps. So first of all, open your Discord app. Look at the left sidebar and tap on the server you want to create a permanent invite link. Select any text channel in your server where you want to generate the invite link from. Look at the top right corner of the channel and tap on the invite people icon to open the invite settings. At the bottom of the invite pop-up, tap on edit invite link to access the advanced invite settings. Find the expire after option and tap on the drop down menu to change the expiry time to never. Find the max number of users option and set it to no limit, so unlimited people can join using this link. Once all settings are configured, tap on generate a new link to create your permanent invite link. Tap on copy to copy the permanent invite link to your clipboard. Share the copied invite link with your friends, social media, or anywhere you want people to join your server. Thank you for watching.